we'll guide you through how to resolve merge conflicts in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code and make sure you've pulled the latest changes from your remote repository. When you encounter a merge conflict, you'll see a notification in the source control panel indicating conflicts. Click on the notification to view the files with conflicts. VS Code will highlight the conflicted sections within the code. You'll see options labeled as current change and incoming change, along with a combined view. Carefully review each of these sections. You need to decide which version of the code you want to keep, or if you want to combine them. Click on Accept Current Change if you prefer your original code. Choose Accept Incoming Change if you want the changes from the branch you're merging. If you want to create a custom merge, select Accept Both Changes and manually edit the combined sections. After resolving the conflicts, make sure to test your code to ensure it works as expected. Once you're satisfied, go back to the source control panel and stage the changes. You can then commit with a message explaining the resolution of the conflict. Finally, push your changes to the remote repository to complete the merge. Remember, resolving conflicts can be tricky, so take your time to understand the differences. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.